I would not buy it because of this reason. We thought it was very funny.
Probably just needs to get worked in.
It probably needs to get worked in, but
it does talk a little bit to you.
It's a mouse.
So
I thought it was funny, but this probably just needs to be worked in, used a little bit. But you're right. These being,
you don't have to worry about it.
You ain't got to worry about it because it's nice and slim, and you're not gonna snap this by accident. Like you hit this on a barricade or something like that, it ain't gonna break.
No,
necessarily. If it breaks,
it's pretty integrated in
there. Yeah, if this breaks, you're breaking like the whole thing.